Stop right there. Do you believe in magic? Or better yet, do you believe that a kind heart can change your whole life?
If you feel like you are working hard and no one sees you, or if you feel like life is just scrubbing floors right now, today's story is exactly what you need to hear.
Welcome to Learn English Together. I am Nikki.
And I am Ash. Today, we are bringing you a world famous story, but we are telling it in a way that helps you think and speak in English naturally.
We are talking about the Cinderella. It is a story about a girl, a glass shoe, and a dream that come true. But more than that, it's about the simple words we use to describe the lives.
We have over 500 words of magic, lessons, and English tips coming your way. Let's jump into this story. Part 1, From Sunshine to Cinders.
Once upon a time, there was a girl named Ella. She was happy. She was live with her father. But then things changed. Her father passed away, and Ella was left with her stepmother, Lady Tremaine.
Lady Tremaine was not nice. She was cold. She brought her two daughters, Ancita and Drizella. They were loud and messy. They did not treat Ella like a sister. They treat her like a servant.
They even changed her name because she worked near the fireplace and was covered in dirty and ash. They laughed and called her Cinderella.
Think about the word cinder. It's the small piece of coal or wood that is halfway burned. Cinderella worked from morning until night. She cooked, she cleaned, and she washed.
But here is the lesson for our listeners. Even when things were hard, Cinderella was kind. She talked to the birds and the mice. She believed that someday things will be better. Part 2, The Royal Invitation.
One day, a messenger arrived. Big news. The king was having a royal ball. A ball is giant, fancy dance party. Every girl in the land was invited to meet the prince.
The sisters were so excited. They shouted, "The prince will choose me." Cinderella wanted to go too. She said, "The invitation says every girl."
Her stepmother said, "You can go if you finish your clothes and find something to wear." But it was a trick. She gave Cinderella so much work that she had no time to fix her dress.
But her friends, the little mice, helped her. They fixed a beautiful dress. When Cinderella showed it to her sisters, they were jealous. They tore the dress to pieces.
This is sad moment. Cinderella ran to the garden. She cried. She felt like she had nothing left. Have you ever felt that way? Like you tried your best and it still broke? Part 3, A Little Magic. Bibbidi bobbidi boo.
That is when the magic happened. Her fairy godmother appeared. She said, Dry your eyes, child. With magic, everything is possible.
She turned a pumpkin into golden carriage. She turned the mice into white horses. And then she touched Cinderella with her hand.
Her old ranks turned into stunning blue gown, and on her feet two slippers made up pure of glass. But there was a rule: the magic ends at midnight.
Midnight is 12 at night. When the clock strikes 12, everything turns black. She warned. Cinderella promised to be careful. Part 4, The Dance and the Shrew.
At the palace, the prince was bored, but when Cinderella walked in, she was like a star. The prince danced with only her.
They laugh and talk. Cinderella forget about the time. Suddenly, bong bong, the clock began to strike 12.
She ran. She was so fast. She lost one her glass shoe on the stairs. She jumped into her carriage and sped away just as the magic vanished.
The next day, the king made a law. The prince would marry the girl whose feet the glass shoe. They looked everywhere. Finally, they came to Cinderella house. Part 5, The Perfect Fit.
The sisters tried to put on the shoes. They pushed and shoved, but their feet were too big. Cinderella was locked in the attic, but her mouse friend stole the key and let her out.
She asked, May I try the shoe? The stepmother was angry. She tripped the messenger, and the glass shoe broke into the thousand pieces.
But Cinderella reached into her pocket. I have one other one, she said. She put it on. It fit perfectly.
She was the girl from the ball. The prince was overjoyed. Cinderella moved to the palace and she even forgave her mean family. She lived happily ever after. Part 6, English Lesson, Words of Character.
What a great story, Ash. Let's look at the English words here. We describe the sisters as jealous and messy, but we describe Cinderella as gentle and patient.
In English, we use these words to describe character. Your character is who you are on the inside. Cinderella character was her real magic.
And the notice time words. Once upon a time, one morning, suddenly midnight. These words help you tell a story so people can follow you.
Today we learn that the magic happens when you don't give up and fluency happens when you don't stop practicing.
Your challenge for today it is to tell a friend a small part of this story in English. Use the words gentle or magical.
Thank you for joining us on Learn English Together. We are so happy to be part of your journey. If you love this story, please hit that like button and subscribe so you never miss a lesson.
You don't need a fairy godmother to speak great English. You just need practice.
I am Ash.
And I am Nikki.
We
We will
will see
see
you
you
in the
in the
next
next one.
one.
Happy
Happy
learning.
learning.